Hi, hello everybody. How are you? Today we're gonna look at an amazing condominium, duplex apartment, penthouse in Sabaneta. Yes, wonderful. Powder room. Stage right there. Security door. So, man, beautiful stainless steel railing, amazing wood. Oh, all the wood right here. Check out the light and the space right here. We have a powder room right here. All this is solid wood. Same deal with that. Is amazing. And we have this wicked amazing view right here. Check it out. Beautiful. Nice open concept kitchen. Lot of light. Check all that stuff out. Beautiful wood everywhere. And it's just perfect. Last one. Last one right here. There's a beautiful condo apartment. Check out this space, beautiful light, amazing. This is actually the second floor. We have 3 huge bedrooms. Look at this view right here. It's just amazing. This is what we see from one of the bedrooms. This is all the bedrooms have walk-in closet and washroom. Amazing. Check it out. Isn't that nice? And we go through here. We have another great bedroom, ample bedroom. Also with the walk-in closet and washroom. Full washroom, as you can see right here. Check it out. Same deal. Really nice view. And now this is actually one of the best parts of this building. Now and then we're gonna go see another part of the apartment, and we're gonna go look at the amenities of the building. Right now we're at in the elevator. We're going down to the first floor. We're gonna go look at the common areas. The pool right here. This is the pool. Turkish and sauna back there. And the paths that go along the building. We're going to the dogs area right here. Playground. And we have all this. Dog friendly unit. Check it out.